Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight Review, where I tell you the truth about products, straight to the point. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed and honest review of YARA Hair Growth. Does it really work? Is it worth your money? Watch until the end to get all the answers. I'll show you what it is, how it works, the pros and cons, and whether or not I recommend it. YARA Hair Growth is a premium hair care solution designed to stimulate natural hair growth, prevent hair thinning, and revitalize damaged strands. According to the official site, it contains a blend of powerful ingredients like biotin, rosemary extract, caffeine, castor oil, and keratin, all clinically known to promote stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. The brand promises visible results in just a few weeks, with reduced breakage, improved scalp health, and regrowth in thinning areas. So, here's what I liked after testing YARA Hair Growth for a few weeks. Noticeable thickening. Hair feels fuller and stronger, especially at the roots. Lightweight formula. It doesn't leave your hair greasy or heavy. Pleasant scent. Clean, natural fragrance without artificial perfumes. No harsh chemicals, free from parabens, sulfates, and toxic additives. Easy application. The dropper design makes it simple to apply directly to the scalp. But of course, it's not perfect. Here's what I didn't like. Takes time. You need patience. Real hair regrowth takes weeks or even months. Not ideal for oily scalps. It may feel too moisturizing for some people. Price? It's a bit more expensive than basic hair serums, but you're paying for quality ingredients. So, is YARA Hair Growth worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you're struggling with thinning hair, weak strands, or breakage, it's a powerful and natural solution that works with consistency. I recommend it for men and women looking for real, long-term hair restoration. But if you're expecting overnight miracles or have extremely oily scalp issues, it might not be the best fit. Final score: 8.8 out of 10. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews like this. The official link to YARA Hair Growth is in the description. Make sure to buy from the original source to avoid fakes. And tell me in the comments, have you tried any hair growth products before? What worked for you?